Good morning again, my beloved students. This is teacher Mustafa, and today we're going to finish and wrap up paper son, Louis Sherkin paper son. As we know here that we looked at the picture and we found out that they were not twins. So this guy here was sent back to China where he died 2 years later. And this shows us that it was really hard to get to the US. Oh, by the way, I wanted you to see you guys to see this. This is Angel Island, where the immigration station was, where everybody was held and they were questioned for a long time until they got a match, until they got matched answers and the coordinated answers, then they will allow them in. If they didn't have any matched answers or coordinated answers, they will let them out back to where they came from. Okay, so let's go to the last page here. Okay, let me read to you. I need you just a minute then. Yep. Yes. Okay. My parents never talked to me about their immigration experience. He says, I never even knew they were detained at the Angel Island immigration station until after my mother passed away at the age of 98 in 2003. Louis conducted research at the National Archives and Records Administration in San Bruno, California. He found a transcript of the interrogation of his mother and siblings during their detainment. The transcript was 42 single-page typed pages. Bashar. Again, Bashar. He's not here.
Mister, do you hear me?
Yes, I can't. So Bashar. What is the meaning of the word transcript?
Transcript.
Yes. What do you think? Read the sentence and you will know the answer.
The transcript was 42 single speed type page.
Yes. So
like a car, moving.
A car. It says here single space typed pages. Typed?
Page like a book writing.
Very good. It's more of a book. Very good. So it has what in it? It has pages, right? And those pages have words in them. So Bashar, imagine this. Me talking to Ilyas, and you are writing down what we're talking about. Okay? What you write is called a transcript. Got it? So a transcript is a written version of something spoken. It's a written version of something spoken. Okay? This is the transcript. Very good. Let's go to 13. Louis says, many of my friends and relatives said their parents never talked about their immigration experience either. I suspect those experiences were painful, something they would rather forget. So I have to ask someone here about this point exactly. I have to ask Hamza Ahmad. Hamza Ahmad, are you here?
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hamza, Hamza?
What?
The immigration experience, was it a fun thing?
No.
No, why not? Huh?
Oh, maybe funny.
Maybe
I don't
funny.
know. Maybe.
Maybe, okay. So maybe fun. Okay, so Abdurrahman, what do you think?
No, mister.
Hello, Abdurrahman, was the immigration experience funny and nice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The other Hamza.
Sir, I know the answer.
Yes, Shatan, just a minute.
Hello,
Who's your next? Hamza Al-Karamani.
Yes, Master.
Do you think that the immigration experiences were funny and nice?
No,
No, why not?
it was hard.
It was what?
It was hard.
Horrible?
No. Mister, can you say the question again?
I said, what do you think about the immigration experience? Were they were nice and funny? True or not?
Oh, yeah, true. I was thinking that you
True.
say
Okay,
in the
Shatam.
traveling. Okay, Mr.
Sir,
Bud.
it was painful.
It was painful, guys. I was tricking you all along. Where is that, Shatam? Where is it?
Huh?
Where is it?
It
Which,
is.
which line?
Yeah.
Huh? Here. Right?
Wait, let me.
They were painful.
Painful. The picture, something they would rather forget.
Very good. If something is painful, you want to forget, right or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
And also, they never talked about it, right?
Yeah.
If something is funny and cool, you will talk about it. But if it's cruel and painful, you will never talk about it, right or not?
Right.
Yes, and you will always want to forget it.
Yeah.
To remember it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so this is very important, guys, to bear in mind. Always read. Reading is essential. You have to read. Okay?
Mister.
Yep.
This boy in this picture is Sam Louis.
Yeah, okay. Sam Louis. Okay. So we'll go to page. Yes, here, this page. Now I need Kareem Ahmed. Kareem. Okay, Rakan Khalid. Rakan Khalid, where are you?
Mister, this is what page? Page what that?
31, page 31. Rakan Khalid, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
Okay, can you read the question, please? I can't hear you. Huh?
How do you know that the birth to Beaver's son and lost Shirkim Beaver's son are information text? Give their examples.
Yes, how do you know that they are informational texts? Rakan.
Mister,
Mm-hmm.
you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, yes. How do you know that they are informational texts?
Because it's trouble.
Because what?
It's trouble.
Problem?
trouble.
I can't actually know what you're talking about. Ryan, what do you think?
Okay.
Hmm?
Real story. Real story.
What?
Real story.
It's a real story. Very good. This is the first one. Very good. So the path to paper son, what happens in the path to paper son? What happened there at the beginning of the story?
Pepperson?
Yes.
Okay.
They were talking about what?
Go to the America.
Very good. About immigrating to America. Very good, Ryan. Very good. Great. So both tell about facts. Both talk about getting to America, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes. What else? There's one more thing.
Okay.
Mister, can you send the model
Earth,
answer in the group?
Earthquake. Earthquake.
So it is supported by what? By facts and examples, right?
Yes.
Yes. So both articles tell
Mister.
about the paper son immigration system. They include facts about actual events, and the articles include main ideas supported by facts and examples. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. Question 2.
Mister,
I need Omar Al-Saba.
Mister, can you send this answer?
Don't worry,
in the
don't
WhatsApp?
worry. I will send it. Don't worry. Huh? Omar Al-Saba.
Yes.
Number 2, please.
What do you think? What do you think the purpose was for writing the path to paper son? What do you think the author purpose was for writing Louis Sher Kim paper son? How do you know?
Yes. Now, generally, when writing any informational text, the main purpose is to do what? To entertain?
Yes.
Okay. So when we read facts, we are entertained, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Salman, what do you think?
Hi, Mister.
Huh? Salman, do facts entertain you?
Yes.
Really? So when I tell you that tsunamis occur most of the time in Thailand, so you will be amused? It will be something fun?
No, I don't understand you.
You don't understand me, okay. I'm saying that what are the author purposes for writing an informational text? Generally, when we read an informational text, we need what from the informational text?
We need. I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so let me tell you here. So the for the author's purpose, that we have to inform, to entertain, right? And to express feelings. Those are the author's purposes, okay? Either to inform or to entertain or to express feelings, okay?
Okay.
So which one of those
I now
is
understand.
for, which one of those is for the informational text?
It's information.
Very good. So which one? The first one, right?
Right.
Yes. So it's inform. It's to
Inform.
inform. Very good. To inform. So to inform us about what? Omar, to inform us about what?
Yes.
To inform us about what,
Um,
Omar?
Inform. Wait.
Yamin, help us.
Yes, Mr.
Help us. To inform us about what?
What's your
What did the story talk about, guys?
about the Chinese?
Yes, about the
Chinese.
Chinese. And what did they do, right?
Yes.
Yes. And what else?
Wait.
How can the Chinese take the sons of American?
Very good. How can the Chinese be people, sons of American, and go to America? Very good. What else?
How they transport from China to from to America.
Very good.
America.
What else?
It's Mr. Help.
So I have to ask Yazan Muhammad. Tell me, Yazan. In the second story, Yazan, what did we learn about Louis Sher Kim?
About Louis Shortcut.
Yes. We learned a lot about his personal life. True or not?
Yeah. True. And we get a lot of information.
Yes. So the answers is in the path to Paper Sun. The author's purpose is to inform readers of the Paper Sun immigration system using facts about historical events. And in Louis Sher Kim, Paper Sun, it also informs the readers, but the author's purpose is to share personal information as well as facts, Okay, so here number 3, it's very, very easy. Yusuf Hani, you can answer it.
Hello, Mister.
Hello, Yusuf. Yusuf Hani.
What?
Tell me, read number 3, please. Read number 3.
What can conclude about
Conclude.
conclude about some Louis parents' immigrative experience built on information in the selection restricted events?
So the immigration experience, it was a good one, right?
Yes.
Shatam, do you agree?
Yes.
No.
What next? What did you say, sir?
What did you say?
I mean, like,
Yusuf,
what was the
what do you
question
think?
again? Sir, what was the question again?
Just a minute, Shatam.
No,
Yusuf.
Master, no.
No, why not?
No.
Why not?
Why not?
Because it was what?
Painful?
Very good. It was painful. Great, guys.
Oh,
Great.
that question you asked me, I like didn't understand the way
Okay,
you
so
tell,
next
then
time pay
I
attention,
thought
please.
it would be
Mister,
painful.
Mister,
This is
Mister, maybe I sent the I would send the answers and the group.
Yes.
I'll see.
What is the
So,
page? What?
Page 31.
Oh,
So he says that my parents never talked to me about their immigration experience. And that tells me that the journey to the United States was probably a painful one for his parents. Right? Great.
Oh. 31, mister.
Yes, please turn off your mics.
I make it.
Okay. Now, Yusuf, I need, let me. Muhammad Magdi.
Hello, Mr.
Muhammad, Louis Sher Kim has 2 immigration experiences, one as a kid and one as an adult. How are they similar and how were they different?
The kid had like to study in the new island, and the no, I mean the
No, just take it easy, okay? He had 2 immigration experiences, one as a young boy and one as a grown man, right?
so wait.
Bilal,
Yes.
huh? So he had 2 immigration experiences, one as a young boy and one as a grown man, correct or not?
Correct.
Correct. Okay. How can you answer this question, please? How are they similar and how are they different?
The similarity was that they were very, very painful for some reason.
Yes, of course.
Because it took over a month. It took over a month to get across the ocean.
And
Yeah,
how
he
are
had
they different?
little schooling, no job skills, and no English skills.
That's how were they different. That's when he was a kid, right?
Yeah, and how they were different was this time he was going to go back to China to pick up his wife and kids, and he was asked again, and so.
Because of the paper son, correct?
Yep.
So the first time he was the paper son.
Wait a minute. Don't the Americans now already know about paper sons, or is this still?
Yeah, they know, but they can't do anything about it because those people died a long time ago.
So there are other paper sons that they don't know.
No. There are no more paper sons. No more.
Nice.
Okay.
All right, bye.
So Bilal, so everyone, they were different. They were different because back in the days when Louis Sher Kim was a young boy, he didn't have any English. He didn't have any education. He had nothing at all. But when he is a grown man and he was a paper son.
Literal homeless kid.
Yes, and he was a paper son. But when he's a grown man now, he is a paper father and he knows English. He has money. He has a place to stay and he has a job. So everything is almost entirely different. How is it similar? Both of the times he was interrogated or he was questioned. And both of the times, if he did something wrong, or if he answered something not exactly matched, he will be deported.
Wait, does he get a second chance though, or they just forget him and he can never come back?
He will be deported back to China. He will be deported back to China.
But Mister, what if he tried again? Would they just kick him out again?
Yep. They have an X on him.
Chance.
They have an X on
Mister,
him.
can you show us the answer? Yeah, here we go.
They have an X on him.
Ooh, American.
This is a lot of answers. Oh my God.
These are lots of answers, but we only have 4 questions, you know? We don't have a million questions.
Yeah, but
actually,
when the answer is very tall, you feel like it's like 100 questions.
Yeah, maybe. I really don't feel anything
My
at
hand
all.
will turn into sand
Mister,
after I finish.
we see the book like
My hand will turn into sand when I finish writing this.
Mister, we see the book like a half trillion pages. So,
Maybe, I don't really know. Okay, so let's go to page 32. Analyze the main idea and the text evidence. Okay, so here we need the main idea of Louis Cher Kim Paper Sun. We need the main idea of Louis Cher Kim Paper Sun. What was it? Do you remember? Let me give you a hint. Here's the hint. Where is the main idea? Where is the main idea? Everyone, feel free to answer.
Mister, I know.
Okay, Malik, what is the main idea?
Wait a second. Sam Louis, the youngest son of Shirkim, who was born later in San
No.
There is no
The main idea.
idea.
The main idea, what we highlighted here, just a minute then.
Okay.
What we highlighted here was the text evidence or the supporting detail of the main idea, the opportunities and the risks. So the main idea is the opportunities and the risks for paper sons. This is our main idea. This is our main idea.
You confused me, mister. I have been confused.
Okay,
by you,
so
mister.
what we highlighted here was the text evidence or the details supporting the main idea. What was the main idea? The opportunities and risks for paper sons. I'll make you a diagram, by the way. Just give me like when we finish this one. So here, okay, it has opportunities and it has risks. It has opportunities and it has risks. Okay. Now, what are the details? Do you remember the details that we highlighted up there, right? We highlighted the details. We highlighted the details there. He emigrated as a paper son. Then his family immigrated with a paper son. And every time he was interrogated. Every time he was interrogated. Now here I have a question. The Chinese immigrants used the paper son system to come to the United States. Why? Or what supports this? Remember from the beginning of the story? Remember? Do you guys remember? Why did they use paper sons?
Yeah.
Why, Shatam?
Because to travel, mister, to USA.
Yes,
so
but
they could travel to USA by making paper sons.
yes, why did they have to make paper sons, Shatam?
To work on
the USA won't let them because for the Chinese exclusionists or something like that.
Yes, because of the Chinese Exclusion Act. Very good, very, very good. Because the US government didn't allow any Chinese to come to their land, right? Except for the merchants and the US citizens, right?
Yes.
Yes, so this is it exactly.
Why they did that, Mister?
It
They
was
did that
easy.
because they didn't want lots of people. They didn't want a lot of people.
Why?
It's up to them. I
Now they
don't really
want.
know.
American people don't want many population so that they can get more
Well
tax
done,
money.
Mister. Yeah.
That the not letting Chinese was kind of goes was kind of stupid, because if you let some more Chinese come in, and they're obviously gonna buy stuff there, so that would increase the taxes, and the government would make much more.
Yes, but they don't want that because, you know, overpopulation is just, you know, another challenge for governments. So India is struggling,
Can just
China
throw them in
is
the pit.
struggling.
They can just they can just throw them in the pit of sacrifice. I think I watched way too many violent cartoons when I was 6.
Okay, so here, this is our lesson, okay, and our exercise. I of course will send you the answers. Okay, you can also take screenshots if you need it.
I take
Let me make it
already.
70%. You have to make it a bit bigger. As
Yeah,
you,
I take it already.
yes, if you want to take a screenshot now, do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, I will do it. Okay. Wait,
And
Mister.
also here.
Mister, can you go up a little bit?
Okay, just here first. Take another
Alex, send me a
screenshot here.
screenshot.
Okay.
Okay.
And I
Open
really
the
enjoyed teaching you guys,
Me too, Matt.
and I really, it was really good. Thank you very much for that. And I'll see you
Mr.
10 out
again
of 10 English
tomorrow.
teacher.
I love you
Mister,
guys.
wait a second.
See ya. Bye.
Mister, I want to say
Mister,
wait a
Mister,
second.
I